PlayStation 2 Slim laser replacement. You will see two small clips holding down the metal rod attached to the laser assembly. To remove the laser assembly, unscrew the clips. The screws are extremely tiny, so be careful not to lose them. Slide the laser forward and lift out. Remove the metal rod and then carefully pull out the ribbon cable. To install a new laser, simply insert the ribbon cable. Flip the laser over and align the notch on one side of the laser, and on the other side reinsert the metal rod and slide it in under the two tabs. Then, holding the laser securely in place, replace the clips and screw into place. Do not tighten the screws until you have both in place.